All the plants are dying from the drought.
These cattle are watching us feeding them lick. This is my mother and brother feeding out our cow's lick. We have to burn these bones so the cattle do not get them stuck in their throat. This is my dog. She has been running around after poor cattle all day.
My dad spends a lot of time feeding these cattle.
There is no water holes because of the drought.
This is one of our dairy cows. She died because of the drought. This makes me very sad. This is Cherry. She has got very skinny and bony because of the drought.
The sun beats down every day and is killing the animals and plants. We need rain.
Dad has to sell the cows because there is no water.
There's not enough rain in Oklahoma to wash the sand.
The grass is all dry and brown.
This cow is very poor because it's very skinny because of the drought.
Work this land until we hurt, trying to make a living.
We're spending a lot of money on the hay.
The people are strong and resilient even in tough times.
His pride was hurt, his heart was broke. He sits and he rolls another smoke set.
The dams are dry because there is no rain.
And I guess it goes to show, he said, we were born to survive out that
Dad is spending so much money on molasses.
and strife. But we don't know any other way. When the sun beats down so damn hard, it's 40 degrees in the holding yards. Got a 303 and a 4-wheel drive.
Everywhere it is so dusty.